I am discussing about Atal Tunnel. It is also known as Rohtang Tunnel. It is the longest highway tunnel in the world above the height of 3000 meters or 10,000 feet. This tunnel is inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 3rd. The location of this tunnel is Himachal Pradesh, Rohtang. Now, what is the location of this Himachal Pradesh in our Indian map? Just have a look here in this map. Here in this map, all of you can see that is the location of our Himachal Pradesh region. In this Himachal Pradesh, we have Lahul Spiti district. In this Lahul Spiti district, we have Rohtang Pass or Rohtang Pass in its northeastern side. With the help of this tunnel, Solang Valley region near Manali and Sishu region of Lahul and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh are connected with each other. The length of this tunnel is 9.02 km. Here in this image, this yellow zigzag line, that is the Leh-Manali highway, that is the location of Rohtang Pass or Rohtang Pass. This is the Manali region. The distance between this Manali region and Rohtang Pass is almost 51 km. Here all of you can see that is the location of Solang Valley, and here we have Sishu region. This one is the Atal Tunnel. With the help of this Atal Tunnel, the Sishu region and Solang Valley region are connected with each other. Importance of this tunnel. It will shorten the distance between Solang Valley and Sishu by around 46 km and will take around 15 minutes to cover the distance between these two regions. Earlier it takes nearly 4 to 5 hours. Second one is all-year connectivity. The bypass route is Rohtang Pass route. This route is snow-covered during winter months. With the help of this Atal Tunnel, Ladakh, Manali and Chandigarh region will connect with each other throughout the whole year. Previously, the Solang Valley region near Manali and the Sishu region of Lahul Spiti district, Himachal Pradesh are connected with each other with the help of this yellow zigzag line, that is Leh-Manali highway through Rohtang Pass. That time it takes 4 to 5 hours to cover this distance. This Leh-Manali highway through Rohtang Pass route is the bypass route of this Solang Valley and Sishu region. In the western side of this Rohtang Pass or Rohtang Pass, we have this Atal Tunnel. With the help of this Atal Tunnel, the distance between Solang Valley and Sishu reduced by 46 km and it will take 15 minutes to cover this distance. Here all of you can see that is the Pir Panjal range, that is Atal Tunnel in the western part of this Leh-Manali highway region. Here we have Rohtang Pass. Now what is the location of Pir Panjal range? Here all of you can see that is the Pir Panjal range through Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh region. If we subdivide the Himalayan region from north to south, then we will get Trans Himalaya, Greater Himalaya, Middle or Lesser Himalaya and Shivalik Himalaya. In the extreme north we have Trans Himalaya, after that we have Greater Himalaya, after that we have Middle and Lesser Himalaya, which includes this Pir Panjal range. In the southern part of this Middle or Lesser Himalaya, we are having Shivalik region. Some another importance are, with all-year connectivity, countries' armed force will connect to border areas throughout the whole year. It will be beneficial for tourists, farmers and common people also, because with the help of this Atal Tunnel, the travel time will reduce. Operator of this tunnel is Border Roads Organization. Operating speed should be within 40 to 80 km per hour, named after the former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then like, share and subscribe this channel.